What's up, everybody? My name's Chris Calvert, and I'm one of our technical sales specialists at Shure, and I'm coming to you live from InfoComm 2026 at the TD SYNNEX booth. Today I have an opportunity to highlight and talk about our upcoming IntelliMix Bar Pro, which is going to make a huge splash in the industry and in the marketplace. The IntelliMix Bar Pro is a Teams certified front-of-room device for medium to large rooms. The Bar Pro itself features a 4K telephoto lens camera system, Shure engineered and patented microphone array technology that you know and love, as well as premium spatial loudspeakers, all in one powerful, sleek device. This new Bar Pro is a great addition to our already large and ever-growing ecosystem of IntelliMix and MicroFlex products, and really helps to ensure that we are providing simple, scalable, and user-friendly solutions that are powerful and manageable, that don't sacrifice on performance. To learn more about the Bar Pro, as well as all of the new products and updates to existing products that we have in the marketplace and are featuring here at InfoComm, head on over to Shure.com and learn more today.